Report comparing the feed water and jacket water.
What is jacket water? Jacket water is a casing that circulates or hold water around the device so that it can be cooled, heated, or kept on a constant temperature. This water-filled casing surrounds a device, typically a metal sheet having intake and outlet vents, to allow water to be pumped through and circulate the flow of the water to an external heating or cooling system. It allows precise temperature control of the device.
What is feed water? Water to be supplied to a boiler from a tank or condenser for conversion into steam. A water jacket is a water-filled casing surround a device, typically a metal having intake and outlet vents to allow water to be pumped through a circulated. The flow of water external heating or cooling device allow precise temperature control of the device. Another, feed water is water that undergoes purification or preheating and then supplied to a boiler from hot water and steam production.
Importance of jacket water in feed water. A jacket water is a filled casing surrounding device, typically a metal shred having intake and outtake vent to allow water to pump through and circulated. While feed water is to protect boiler from these harmful contaminants, it's vital that proper chemicals, water analysis, and blowdown procedures are correctly followed at all times.
Difference between feed water and jacket water.
Cooling water is used in industrial processes to dissipate large amount of heat. Boiler feed water, on the other hand, is used in water steam circuit, electricity generation in power stations. The water has to meet the specific requirements for both application, which it analyzes on a regular basis. Feed water to be supplied to a boiler from a tank or condensed to conversion into steam. Feed water treatment deals with the various scale and corrosion causing salt and entrained gases suitable chemical treatment. Cooling water is sometimes referred as jacket water due to the jacket of water surrounding to a combustion space. What does jacket water mean? Jacket water is a casing that circulates or holds water around the device so that it can be cooled or kept at a constant temperature. It is a metallic shell which contains outlet and inlet vents that allows the water to circulate and pump through.
Similarities or comparison of feed water and jacket water. Cooling water is used in the industrial processes to dissipate large amount of heat. On the other hand, boiler feed water is used in the water steam circuit for electricity generation in power station. Explanation: quality of cooling water compared to feed water. While the marine diesel engine and the boiler feed water have the same source in which water comes from the freshwater generator in both ships, certain variations still exist. In particular, in preserving its own quality, the testing and treatment of the system also different. Objective of treating cooling water compared to feed water. Objective of treatment for feed water: prevention of scale formation in the boiler and feed system by using distilled water, precipitating all scale forming salts by form of non-adherent sludge, prevention of corrosion in the boiler and feed system by maintaining the boiler water in the alkaline condition and free from dissolved gases, control of the sludge formation and prevention of carry over with the steam, prevention of entry into the boiler of foreign matter such as oil, waste, mill scale, iron oxide, copper, particles, sand, weld spatter, and such, is by careful use of oil heating arrangement, effective pre-commission cleaning, and by maintaining and steam and condensate system in a non-corrosive condition. That's all the comparison of feed water and jacket water.